So the theme and the inspiration of our power dance na ipe-perform namin this Naparaan 2025 is all about the corruption and how bayanihan or pakikipagkaisa will overcome with it. To tell you honestly, it's so hard to prepare since 1 week of preparation na lang yung nabigay sa amin kasi nabisi rin kami sa CAS Fest. As a chairperson here, hindi lang ito yung hinawakan kong chairperson, kaya parang nahati yung preparation niya. Kaya I hope maging maganda yung kalalabasan ng performance namin. I hope magkaroon ng fair, friendly competition rather, and walang hatred sa lahat ng departments because we respect you as our upperclassmen or mother colleges, so we're expecting our respect